Hi everybody, welcome back. This is your one and only J, Food, English and Life. In today's video, we'll be looking at a trio of commonly confused words that end up confusing students every time they have to write or they have to use them when speaking. We never really have enough time on the clock, so we have to jump straight into action. But hey, remember one thing. If you're new here, be sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. There, there, and there. Woo. There, there. Three confused words. They end up confusing you every time you use them. Don't you fret. Okay, there. There simply means the opposite of here. I am here and you are there. There is a car. There is a dog under the tree. There is a cat under the chair. There, place, there. Number two, there. There means belongs to them. That is their car. That is their house. There. There is simply a contraction of they are or they were. They are playing basketball. Most of my students get even more confused when it comes to reading they and there. They read they as there and there as they. Pretty confusing, right? Don't get confused when it comes to reading there and they. They, T-H-E-Y. You have to remember A, the sound of A. So they, all right? And when it comes to there, and there, these three have R at the end of them. R-E, R-E, and R. There, R at the end, there. Because R is bossy. They and there. And don't read there as they. And don't read they as there. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hearts always.